in my last lecture we have completed this sheet and hope you are practicing well. Unless and until you practice it, you will not get benefit of it. So that's why I request you to do practice as much as you can. So right now in this tutorial I am going to teach you V-lookup, because we are going to use this V-lookup in this column name to fetch the name and email ID. But it is better to use index match command rather than using V-lookup, because there are multiple problems which we are facing over here. But right now for this purpose I have created some table to give you some example. Let us say that there are 4 persons X, Y, Z, W, and the subject wise their marks is available over here. But what I want to find out the person Z marks in this column. So V-lookup only works when the data is in A to Z sorted out, right? So first of all we have to do sorting of it. So for sorting you have to go to this home, under the home tab you have to go to this sort and filter, and you have to go to sort A to Z. It will expand the selection and automatically the data will be sorted out accordingly, like A to Z format. Over here I also want this thing, so that's why I'm just copying this and pasting. Now for applying VLOOKUP, let us write down this equation VLOOKUP, right? So what we want to find out, this lookup value, that means that English. For here I want to find out this English, then comma table array. Table array means it is the combination of rows and columns. We have to select this table because we want to, and let us first complete this equation, otherwise we will not get the proper idea. So let us say that column index number, that means that for the selected table which column we want to return. Here 1 2 3 4, so we have to write down this 4 and bracket over, enter. So let us give the explanation over here, that first of all we want to find out the value of English under this table. That means that under this array, wherever English is available, it will select this thing as a row and it will give the value of selected column number. So this is the logic of VLOOKUP, right? So right now hope you understand this thing. If I will drag it down, and over here it is English 90, 69, 60, 65, 78, right? But see, here the table is also moving in downward because we have not locked this table, though we are getting the right result, but it is not accurate one. So that's why we have to lock this thing. That means our table will be locked. It just has to replace this English. So over here the row will be changed, E will be locked by pressing F4 sign in your keyboard. You can this same thing I have already taught you in my earlier lecture, that use of dollar. Just go if you have not understand properly, and now enter. So again the result is same, but now the result is accurate, because that is the thing which I want to teach you in my lecture. Though we are not going to use this VLOOKUP, because over here we have to select this 4 number, right? But by using indexing and match command, we will more accurately fetch out this data. So we'll see you soon in my next lecture.